Welcome back, my happy littles. Today is a special day because we are meeting our last A magnet. There, I can see letter A. A says A. And who's coming to make the next magnet? That's letter M. M makes the sound A. Am. That's the next magnet. Now let's see who's coming to say hello to Am. There comes letter J. J makes the sound Ch. 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 Am. Ch. Am. Jam. Jam. Yes, that's jam. Sweet strawberry jam on toast. Yum. Jam. That's excited letter Y. Y says year. 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 Am. Year. Am. Yam. Yam it is. Yes, that's a yummy vegetable for dinner. Yam. There comes letter R to replace letter Y. R says R. 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 Am. R. Am. Ram. Ram. It's ram. Can you see that fluffy ram with curly horns? Ram. The last one is letter D, and D makes the sound D. 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 Am. D. Am. Dam. Dam it is. Dam. That's a big dam to hold the blue water. Dam. Ready for sentence challenge? First one. The man has the jam. The man has the jam. Speed reading. The man has the jam. Good job. Next one. I can see a dam. I can see a dam. Speed reading. I can see a dam. Yay! And the funny last one. The ram sat on the jam. The ram sat on the jam. Speed reading time. The ram sat on the jam. Excellent. You're doing so well. Wait, don't go yet. Let's recap our am words. Ch, am, jam. Y, am, yam. R, am, ram. D, am, dam. Well done. Wow, we finished our first short vowel A sound magnet group. You are doing so well. Always remember, you can do it. Goodbye.